Hey, hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to follow everyone at once on Facebook without going to their individual profile. Now this takes a lot of time and I'm going to show you straight away. Now the first thing that you want to do is grab your mobile device. This works on Android and on the iPhone version. Now the first thing that you want to do is find the Facebook app. So scroll down and type in Facebook. Now, as you can see, Facebook already pops up, and right here what you want to do, you want to refresh the page, go to the bottom right of your screen where the menu appears, right here, and from out the menu simply scroll down till you see the settings and privacy tab in the middle, as you can see right here. Now from out the settings and privacy tab, we want to go into the settings. Now from out the settings, what you want to do, you want to scroll down till you see the content preferences in the first option of the preferences. Now here you already see the middle option called Unfollow. Now simply open this up, and right here you see a list of everyone that you are following, which is a lot. Now what you can do, you can simply press Unfollow, and as you can see, they are unfollowed, and it's very quickly, and you don't have to go into their profile page to actually start unfollowing them. Now, if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.